74.04 for Curtis Scott. And in front of fighting on the blue corner on the neck, ladies and gentlemen, making himself available to the scale right now, here comes Big Bad Barry Hall. What 6.28 for Barry Hall.
What was that, Curtis? The final words there to Barry before you walked off? How do you feel now looking into his eyes? Because you say you've seen a bit in his eyes over the last few days. What did you see then?
A bit close, we didn't see too much. He's really kissing each other, so yeah, we're very close and personal. There's a lot of feel in this fight. I'm excited to get out there and get it done.
What happens, Curtis?
I'm going for the finish. I'm coming to win. I worked hard and I'm going to knock this bloke out.
Let's talk to Barry Hall. That was very intense. What did you see there in Curtis Scott?
Didn't see much, to be perfectly honest. I think he's just trying to bluff his way through to, make himself feel confident. But I've done everything. I've ticked every single box. I'm very confident, very relaxed. Yes, it's intense, but it's fight week. We fight tomorrow. We can get it sorted out.
A lot more weight on you than last time we saw you as a professional boxer. How do you feel?
I feel great. It's one of the mistakes I made last time, and it's something that I said if I ever did this again, I'd tick all the boxes, and I have. I put some weight on. I'm doing the rounds at a really good pace, so I'm just ready to know. I just want it to happen. Got to wait till tomorrow.
What happens?
I'm not going to look for the knockout, but we've got a process in place. If I stick to it, I'll stop him.
That's Barry Hall and Curtis Scott, your co-main event tomorrow night.